Hello, my name is Liza, and I thought I'd take you on a quick tour of how I decorated my home for Valentine's Day. Yes, that's my carrot hanging there because I'm out of places in my craft room to hang things. So it's just going to be there, I guess. But anyway, here is the double heart with the tags that I made that there's a video for. And then I have all my decorations hanging inside because I have a lizard problem. I'm afraid of them and they like to hide in outside stuff. And this heart I made last year. And this heart I made this year. And this is a cute little heart that I bought at a new store that we have in Florida called Home Centric. And here is my twine jute heart with its lights inside. One of my favorite features in my living room is this picture that I covered up with DollarTree wrapping paper, and I put a big grapevine wreath on it, and then I decorated for whatever holidays. So far I've done it for Halloween and Christmas and Thanksgiving and now Valentine's Day. And then I have a few pillows on my couch. And that's my other DIY that I did a video for this year, and I threw a few of the sparkly Valentines in with this Dollar Tree DIY I have made earlier in the year. And then we can't forget how I like to change up my little truck. So here it is for Valentine's Day, and there's my little loves of my life. And like I said, I have a lot of pops of red in my house already, and some more pillows on this couch. And there's my little hack. See my vacuum cleaner is hiding behind my tree? I leave it here all the time, and I just tell people, oh, excuse me, you caught me in the middle of cleaning. Of course, I've told everybody, so now they know I'm not cleaning, but anyway, you might want to try it. It does work. And on my buffet server, I have my love sign that was from Hobby Lobby clearance last year, and this DIY that I made this year that I have a video for. And then this is my decorated tier tray. I don't think there's really any DIYs on here except for maybe that I did make the candle, which is a Dollar Tree candle that I used a heat gun and some stamped tissue paper to create. And then I have my beads here that I meant to put a heart on one, but I didn't get around to it. And my dining room table is basically just the chargers from Dollar Tree, a tablecloth from Kohl's, and the plates are from Dollar Tree, and I bought the fabric from Joann's, and my homemade napkin holders, napkin rings, which are just the regular silver plastic ones that I painted white. And then my centerpiece is pretty basic. And then I have my galvanized tin heart that was a Hobby Lobby clearance item last year on this side of my front window. This one is the one that I made out of aluminum foil to give the appearance of a galvanized heart, and it's on the other side of my window. And I used one of the Dollar Tree signs, and I just took off the sign that I had in the middle and I put that there because I thought that was perfect. I might leave it up all the time, I'm not sure yet. Now for my tier tray in my kitchen, I didn't do much. I did add the buffalo check red Valentine heart, which I made last year. And there's a little heart, maybe it was from Joann's or Michael's, I can't remember. And that's basically all that's in there because the stuff is here all year long. Here is my coffee bar area. And this was the Dollar Tree DIY that I made a video for, and that is my Target Dollar Spot sign from last year. And here is my snowman tiered tray that I had a DIY for, and I kept some of the snowman things and snow related and added a few Valentine's Day elements, like of course my little red truck that has conversation hearts, my little P.S. I love you with my little gingerbread boy and girl. They were actually from Christmas, but I actually still see them at Target Dollar Spot, so you might be able to still find them if you think they're cute. And of course I kept my sled out because it holds my sugar packages and it works well with my snowman. And I have a St. Patrick's Day redo for this that I'll be showing soon. Something else I do for every season is I buy, well, I don't even need to buy them anymore because I have them, but the door hangers that are from Dollar Tree, I use a command hook on the inside of my door and I put it upside down, and then with some fishing line, I just hang them over the door so it's invisible, and I have my hanging hearts. So I have them on both sides of my kitchen, in case you like that idea. Oh, there's the back of my tray. And then the last thing that I have really is my banner, and that's in my family room. It's just a little bit, but I thought maybe you'd like to see how I incorporated all my DIYs into my home. I hope you have a nice Valentine's Day, and I'll be back again soon. Thanks for watching. Take care.